Hi, welcome to today's demo video. I'm going to demo a really easy idea for parties. As you can see in my house, I'm having a party today. It's messy, there's kids and toys everywhere, and now I have to feed everybody. So, one of my favorite things to do when I have a crowd is to do a baked potato bar. But when I have a house full of people, I don't always want to turn on the oven and bake potatoes for an hour. The house gets too hot. So, I'm going to show you guys how to do it in the quick cooker in 20 minutes. Ready? First things first, we have to make sure we have all the parts to our cooker. Hear that? We might want to make sure our silicone ring is in place. Steam guard here and the pin, the steam release pin is all in place. And it is, so we're good. I'm going to put my inner pot into the cooker. I'm going to lower the wire rack into the inner pot. And that's important because I don't want my potatoes to sit in the water. I'm going to put 1 cup of water in the bottom of the quick cooker. Take all my potatoes and put them in here, but I have to remember to pierce the skin of the potato with a fork first. That'll allow the steam to escape from the potato as it cooks. Okay? We'll load this baby out. On goes the lid. I like that little song. And I'm gonna set the timer here.
Mommy?
We're gonna hit custom. And we're gonna adjust the time down to 20 minutes. And there we go. In 20 minutes, we're gonna have perfectly baked potatoes. And then I'll have to do a second batch because I've got a large crowd today. So we'll do another 20 minutes in a little bit. Let's see how they turn out. All right, 20 minutes is up. Let's see how the potatoes turned out. Check it out, you guys. Perfectly soft potatoes in 20 minutes. So while our potatoes are baking in our quick cooker, I'm going to grate some cheese using our new food prep grater, and I'm going to show you how to use that. Our quick prep food grater comes with 3 different blades, one for coarse grind, one for fine grind, and one to slice. So today we're going to use the coarse grind because I like big fat pieces of cheese on my potato. I'm going to show you how easy this is to put in here. The blades attach in the center of the food grater, and you're just gonna turn it until you feel it catch, and you just spin it till it stops. There we go. Throw the bowl underneath. This bowl is super awesome. This bowl holds up to 15 cups of whatever you're grating, shredding, slicing, anything you want. Put the dome on the top, and then I have gone and sliced off a hunk of cheese. I'm gonna put that right in here in the top. Start grating. And there we go, in seconds. I have about 4 cups of shredded cheese. Perfect, and didn't take me any time at all, minimal effort. The quick prep food grater is awesome for a lot of things like that. Next up on our baked potato bar, we're gonna do some bacon. So what I have here is a pound of bacon. I'm gonna cook it up in our 10-inch stainless steel skillet. Our stainless steel skillets are the best nonstick around and chemical free, so you don't have to worry about the toxins and stuff leaking into your food. So I really like that. Always start baking in a cold pan, and I'm just gonna pop this all in here and fire it up.